Ground. Good day.
Good day, go ahead.
At parking. Information. Oscar, read to copy.
You are cleared to Zulu, Bravo, Alpha, Alpha, via November, Oscar, Papa, India, 1, Lima, 4,000 feet. Contact when ready to start.
Cleared to Zulu, Bravo, Alpha, Alpha, via November, Oscar, Papa, India, 1, Lima, 4,000 feet. When ready to start.
Redback is correct.
Ground. Request pushback.
Pushback approved at own discretion.
Ground. Good day.
Good day, go ahead.
At parking. Information. Oscar, read to copy.
You are cleared to Zulu, Sierra, November, Bravo, via.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your chief flight attendant. On behalf of our captain and the entire crew, welcome aboard. At this time, make sure your seat backs and tray tables are in their full upright position and that your seat belt is correctly fastened. Also, your portable electronic devices must be set to airplane mode until an announcement is made upon arrival. Thank you.
Clear to Zulu, Sierra, November, Bravo, via Bravo, Oscar, Papa, Tango, 1, Lima, 4,000 feet. When ready to start.
Redback is correct.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned on the fasten seatbelt sign. If you haven't already done so, please stow your carry-on luggage underneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin. Please take your seat and fasten your seatbelt, and also make sure your seat back and folding trays are in their full upright position. If you are seated next to an emergency exit, please read carefully the special instructions card located by your seat. If you do not wish to perform the functions described in the event of an emergency, please ask a flight attendant to reseat you. We remind you that this is a non-smoking flight. Smoking is prohibited on the entire aircraft, including the lavatories. Tampering with, disabling or destroying the lavatory smoke detectors is prohibited by law. If you have any questions about our flight today, please don't hesitate to ask one of our flight attendants. Thank you.
Ground. Approaching gate, switching off. Roger. Closer. 07. Have a nice day.
Ground. Request startup.
Startup approved. Report when ready to taxi.
Startup.
Ground. Request taxi.
Taxi to holding point runway. 33 left.
Roger. Taxi to holding point runway. 33 left.
Ground. Request pushback.
Pushback approved at own discretion.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the crew, we request your full attention as the flight attendants demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Take a minute to locate the exit closest to you. Note that the nearest exit may be behind you. Count the number of rows to this exit. Should the cabin experience sudden pressure loss, stay calm and listen for instructions from the cabin crew. Oxygen masks will drop down from above your seat. Place the mask over your mouth and nose, like this. Pull the strap to tighten it. If you are traveling with children, make sure that your own mask is on first before helping your children. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing and evacuation, leave your carry-on items behind. Life rafts are located below your seats and emergency lighting will lead you to your closest exit and slide. We ask that you make sure that all carry-on luggage is stowed away safely during the flight. While we wait for takeoff, please take a moment to review the safety data card in the seat pocket in front of you.
Ground. Runway. 33 right. Vacated. Request taxi to gate. Roger. Continue taxi to gate. Welcome.
Ground. Request startup.
Ground. Holding point runway. 33 left.
Contact tower on. 118.200.
Roger. Contact tower on. 118.200. Tower, good day. Holding point runway 33 left, ready for departure.
Wind 246 degrees, 5 knots. Clear for takeoff runway 33 left. Report leaving 3,000 feet.
Clear for takeoff runway 33 left. Call you back passing 3,000 feet. Cabin crew, prepare doors for departure and crosscheck. Cabin crew, prepare for takeoff.
We are now ready for takeoff. Please make sure your seat belts are fastened and all baggage is secured underneath your seat or in the overhead compartments. We also ask that your seats and table trays are in the upright position for takeoff. Please switch to airplane mode or personal electronic devices, including laptops and cell phones. Enjoy your flight.
.80 knots. V1. Rotate. Positive rate. Gear up. Tower, leaving 3,000 feet.
Airborne at 14 contact. Radar on 121.400.
Contact. Radar, 3,000 feet. Inbound, Sierra, India 707.
Radar contact. Waypoint, Sierra, India 707, heading 327.